Good morning, all. Today we are going to discuss the course Technological Innovation Management and Entrepreneurship, Module 1, Part A. In this today video, we are going to discuss three topics: management definition and introduction, function of management and administration. Management definition. Management as a part and science. According to Mary Parker Follett, management is the art of getting things done through the people. Management is not the merely art because art deals with the application of knowledge, whereas it is not only the application of knowledge, but it also science acquiring of the knowledge. It has two weaknesses. First, it is not the merely art, but it is science also. Second, it doesn't throw the light on the various functions of the manager at working place. A manager requires to have certain knowledge of and skills. Manager is one who possesses the skill to contribute the organization goal by directing the effort of others, not by performing the task himself. Whereas, on the other hand, a person who is not the manager makes his contribution directly to the organization goal by performing the task himself. Management as a profession. Nowadays, management becoming essential to acquire the professional knowledge and training. So managing a business is no longer just a matter of intuitions or family ability to doing the business. Even now, the time and trend of professional management, the family business are also adapting the professional management by doing business to be a race of success and development in this modern age. McFarland gives the following characteristics of a professional management: existence of an organized systematic knowledge, organized method of acquiring training and experiences, existence of an association with profession to achieve goal, existence of an ethical code to regulate the behavior of profession, changing of fees-based service but due regard to the priority of service over the desire of monetary reward. Nature of management. The utilization of men, money, material and machines, the resources of the organization is the main task of the manager, and its optimization to give the profit to the organization. A country with enough manpower, capital and other resources may remain poor if it does not have competent manager and entrepreneurs to combine and coordinate these resources, material machines into the finished good. As Peter Drucker rightly says, without management, a country's resource of production remains resources and never become production. Characteristics of management. The following are some important characteristics of management. It should be stable, it should be applicable to all types of organizations, it should be transparent, its approaches are to be clear and goal-oriented, it should be simple and effective, it should have well-defined goal and effective means to accomplish the goal, it should have good, clearly defined process functions, mainly like planning, organizing, directing and controlling. It should provide conducive atmosphere of work. Functions of management. As per George R. Terry, management is the process of systematic way of doing things, consisting of planning, organizing, directing, and controlling to determine and accomplish the objective by the use of people and resources. Planning means manager thinks of action in advance. These actions are based upon some method and plans. Organizing means that manager coordinates the human and material resources of the organization to achieve the goal. Directing means that manager direct and motivate to the subordinate. Controlling means that manager attempt to ensure that there is no deviation from original norms and plans. If some part of the organization plan is on the wrong track, manager takes some actions to remedy the situation. For example, manager who wishes to increase the sales might try not to motivate for the sales but also to increase the administrative budget. Management and administration. You can look at the figure. It has 5 levels from top to bottom, board of directors to the foreman. Administration is nothing but it involves thinking. Top level executive spend more time in administration activities. Administration is top level functions mainly, which determines the plans, policies, objective of the business enterprise. On the other hand, management is more in education and doing the job. In middle level education perform both activities and spend his time in both administration and management to achieve the goal. Manager is the lower level or first time manager follow the instruction plans with the middle level management and direct to the non-skilled man laborers to achieve the short-term objective and goal to execute and achieve them. Management administration's continuation. The first line manager, foreman, supervisor, all are known as white collar person. As per EFL, Brecht and others, management as a comprehensive generic function embraces the entire process of planning, organizing, directing, controlling, and according to him, administration is only a branch of management which comprises two of basic function, planning and controlling. So according to him, function of management can be divided into two categories: administrative management, upper level of management; operative management, lower level of management. The basic difference between management and administration is the governance of non-business institutions such as government, army, church is generally called administration, and while governance of business enterprise is called management. Administrative management. Frederick Winslow Taylor, which is known as father of scientific management, whereas Henry Fayol is considered the father of administrative management, suggested following 14 principles. Division of work, authority and responsibility, discipline, unit of command, unit of direction, subordination of individual interest to general interest, remuneration, centralization, scalar chain, order, equity, stability of tenure of personal initiative, team spirit. That's all. Thank you, one and all. Thank you very much.